In this guide, you will learn how to import an Excel template to the Receivables module. Click the Receivables tab. Click the Import menu option under the More menu. Click Quick Invoices graphic. Enter the desired information into the Customer ID field. Enter the desired information into the Invoice Reference field. Enter the desired information into the Invoice Date field. Enter the desired information into the Item ID field. Enter the desired information into the Invoice Amount field. Enter the desired information into the Description field. Click the File tab. Click the Save As List Item. Click the Save button. Click the Next button. Click the Select button. Click the Copy of Import Quick Invoices XLS List Item. Click the Open button. Click the Process button. Click the Finish button. Congratulations, you have completed the Import an Excel template to the Receivables module guide.